A managed fund is a great way for retail investors to get access to some really high quality investments managed by some really high quality investment teams, professional investors managing your money on your behalf.
So the performance of the fund over the last financial year has been very strong at 18.6%. And more interestingly, I think, is the longer term performance over 2.5 years, where it's been a cumulative return of over 47%.
The Crescent Diversified Property Fund suits a broad range of investors. And specifically, look, it's great for SMSFs, or self-managed super funds. It's great for mum and dad investors, but ultimately, it's really good for anyone looking to get exposure to high quality Australian property managed by a high quality investment team.
So the investment approach can be broken into two halves. 50% is listed securities and 50% are directly held real assets. Of the listed securities, we take a very high conviction approach. This simply means that when an opportunity presents itself, we back our judgment by taking a big position. As the security price rises, we're able to use that strength to sell down the position to a less meaningful position and possibly even exit. On the direct property side, this is attractive for us because it smooths out the returns to investors. The direct characteristics also mean that we will buy an asset ourselves. So while there is slightly less diversification, this is a very targeted approach that if you can be selective enough, you can find a gem amongst all of the other real estate in the country. We've made one successful investment already in this space and we're looking at several others right now.
Investing in accordance with Islamic investment principles is really important to us. We have to and always will invest ethically. We have a really thorough 4-stage process which ensures every investment complies with the principles. But what does that really mean? It means when we look at a property, we look at the tenancies, we look at how it's financed. So as an example, we'll never invest in a property where there's tenants that produce or market alcohol, banks or financial services, or companies that produce defence systems or weapons. All of these things are really important to us to ensure every investment that we make accords with Islamic investment principles.
Commercial property is a generic term often applied just to office buildings, but in reality it actually applies to all non-residential property, including office, retail, industrial, and some alternatives such as hotels and medical centres. With these different sectors, it provides the fund manager with the ability to move the portfolio where we see value. It also provides investors with a diversification benefit within their own portfolio.
When clients call or approach Crescent Wealth, be it through online, social media, or the phones, we pair them up with a relationship manager. We believe in a high quality service, a one-to-one service, where clients can ask questions about the product and have them answered before they invest, so they understand what they're investing in. And importantly, once they've invested, that relationship continues. And they can continue to call the relationship manager anytime they have any questions, but also go onto a website, have access to a dedicated 24-hour client web portal. In addition to all of that, we also give clients a 6-monthly statement, which provides a distribution update as well as a fund performance update. And all of this is to ensure we keep the client updated with the progress of their investment.